Good morning to all. Hello my dear student, how are you all? I hope you all are well by the grace of Allah. I am also well. My dear student, today I am here at present to take a class especially for the student of class 5. So my dear student of class 5 and all viewers who are joined with me now, all are welcome to Guimara Online School. Let's introduce myself. I am Monir Hussain, Assistant Teacher of Bhagyo Karbaripara Government Primary School, Matiranga, Khagrachori. So my dear student, today I would like to discuss all of you a new chapter and all are sit down in front of my class. Today I would like to discuss unit 14 Unit 14 Lesson 1. Page number 54. Okay, my dear student, before starting my lesson, I would like to discuss some easy question with all of you. Okay, my dear student, in our school, we arranged some competition on the occasion of annual sports in our school. Here we arranged some race competition, and today we discuss about a competition with hare and tortoise. So my dear student, today our discussing topic is the hare and the tortoise. A story about the hare, and all write down today's discussing subject, the hare and the tortoise. The hare and the tortoise. Okay. All write down the headline of our discussing topics today: the hare and the tortoise. Okay. My dear student, everyone open your EFT book, page number 54. Page number 54. Okay. So my dear student, here are two pictures in this page. Today we discuss about first picture. Okay. And all are say me what do you see in the picture? First picture, what do you see? We all are seeing that in this picture has a natural scenery and already has a tortoise and a hare and a tortoise. Okay, a hare and a tortoise, maybe they are talking with each other. Okay, so my dear student, at very first I read out the text and all are matched with your EFT book. Okay, and today we learn from one day to maybe I can win. Okay, the hare and the tortoise. One day a hare was walking in the forest when he saw a tortoise. The hare was the fastest animal in the forest. The tortoise was the slowest animal in the forest. The hare called out to the tortoise, "Hurry up! You are so slow. Can't you walk faster? Can't you run?" The tortoise felt angry and said to the hare, "Why don't we have a race? Maybe I can win." Now, my dear student, I would like to read the text with Bangla meaning, and again all are match English in your EFT book. Okay. The hare and the tortoise, খরগোশ এবং কচ্ছপ. One day, একদিন, a hare was walking in the forest. একটি খরগোশ বন দিয়ে হেঁটে যাচ্ছিল. When he saw a tortoise, তখন সে একটি কচ্ছপকে দেখতে পেল. The hare was the fastest animal in the forest. খরগোশ খুব দ্রুতগামী প্রাণী এই বনের মধ্যে. The tortoise was the slowest animal in the forest. এবং কচ্ছপ হচ্ছে ধীরগতি সম্পন্ন এই বনের একটি প্রাণী. The hare called out to the tortoise. খরগোশ কচ্ছপকে ডেকে বলল, "Hurry up! দ্রুত করো। You are so slow. তুমি খুব ধীরগতি সম্পন্ন। Can't you walk faster? তুমি দ্রুত হাঁটতে পারো না? Can't you run? তুমি দৌড়াতে পারো না?" The tortoise felt angry. কচ্ছপ খুব রাগান্বিত হলো and said to the hare, এবং খরগোশকে বলল, "Why? কেন? Don't we have a race? আমরা কি একটি দৌড় প্রতিযোগিতার আয়োজন করতে পারি না? Maybe I can win. সম্ভবত আমিই জয়ী হব." কে বলল? কচ্ছপ বলল। কাকে? খরগোশকে। So my dear student, in the text I see that some new words. First we write out all are write every word, new word on the board, okay? And all are write down every word your exercise khata, okay? Here, first word is here. Here means খরগোশ. Here means খরগোশ. Sorry, here means খরগোশ. Second word is tortoise. Tortoise means কচ্ছপ. Here tortoise walk means হাঁটা. What means হাঁটা? Forest. Forest means বন. Forest means বন. Animal. Animal means প্রাণী. And another word is angry. Angry means রাগান্বিত. Angry means রাগান্বিত. Slow. Slow means ধীর. Race means দৌড় প্রতিযোগিতা. My dear student, here are some new words. And again I read every word and all are listen to me carefully. Okay. Here means khargosh, tortoise means kachap, wak means haja, forest means bon, animal means prani, angry means raganito, slow means dhira, race means দৌড় প্রতিযোগিতা. Okay. My dear student, now I would like to practice something from our today's lesson. Okay. And all are try to answer every question. Okay, my dear student. Now we practice true and false. True and false. First, I write some question and then we discuss about this sentence. Okay. The hare was the hare was submissive. Submissive means binui. The hare was submissive. Here has a box. First we discuss the sentence and then we write. If the sentence true, we write in the box true. If the sentence is false, we write answer in the box false. Okay. Number B. The hare was the fastest animal in the forest. The hare was the fastest animal in the forest. Number C. The tortoise felt angry. My dear student, here are three sentences and finishing of the sentence has a box. Every sentence has a box. In this box we write answer true or false. Okay. First sentence is the hare was submissive. Submissive means binui. খরগোশটি কি বিনয়ী ছিল? No. So the sentence is false. Okay. Number B. The hare was the fastest animal in the forest. The hare was the fastest animal in the forest. We also know the sentence is true. Okay. So the answer is true. We know the sentence is true from today's lesson from our text. So we write in the box true. Number C. The tortoise felt angry. The sentence is true. Okay, because we know the tortoise felt angry from our text. Okay, my dear students, now again I read out every sentence. All are listen to me carefully. Okay, true or false? Number A, the hare was submissive, means Binui, and the sentence is false. So we write in the box false. Number B, the hare was the fastest animal in the forest. The sentence is true. So we write true. Number C, the tortoise felt angry. The sentence is true. So we write true. Okay. So my dear student, thank you all to listen my class and follow my class carefully. So my dear little learners, all are try to stay at home with our parents and try to follow health rules carefully. Okay, now for today, thank you all.